Creating a CV can be overwhelming and challenging, with many people unsure of where to start or how to express themselves effectively. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to help. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create this professional CV using ChatGPT. Sound good? Let's get started. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, well, it's an artificial intelligence tool that uses natural language processing to generate human-like text in response to user input. With just a few key pieces of information, ChatGPT can generate a professional CV for you. To access ChatGPT, visit this link. All you need to do is sign up for a new account and you'll land on the main page. With ChatGPT's help, you can save a ton of time and effort and get a personalized CV that will make you stand out from the crowd. It's a total game changer. While it's possible to generate a full CV using ChatGPT, it may not be the best approach as the result could be too generic. That's why I've created a step-by-step video guide to help you create a tailored CV that specifically meets your individual needs and showcases your details in the best possible way. Just to let you know, the goal of this video is to show you how to create CV text using ChatGPT, not to focus on CV design. So, for this video, I'll be using a CV template that you can download from the link in the description below. Of course, feel free to use your own template or find one on Canva if you prefer. Let's get started. First, we need to open the CV template. For this video, I'll start fresh and rewrite these texts from scratch. First, add your photo to it. Then your name and designation. Now fill up your contact details. Let's talk about the skills section. This is where things get interesting. You want to make sure you're highlighting your best skills here. If you're not sure what to write, don't worry, ChatGPT has got your back. Open ChatGPT and type in "name a software engineer skills for CV." Just type in your own job title instead of software engineer and hit enter. It will generate a list of skills that you can choose from. Once you have your list of skills, just copy and paste them onto your CV. Alright, now list out all the languages you're proficient in it and add your proficiency level for each one. Don't worry if you're not sure what your proficiency level is, just ask ChatGPT for some help. Type in language proficiency levels for a CV in a list, and you'll find a handy list of levels you can use to showcase your language abilities on your CV. If you're struggling to write a killer profile text for your CV, ChatGPT is here to save the day. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate a profile text for you, using a prompt like, "I am a software engineer, write a CV profile text for me within 3 to 5 lines limit," and let ChatGPT work its magic. But wait, there's more. If you want some extra help crafting your profile text, try asking ChatGPT something like, "What should I write in my CV profile section? Ask me questions." ChatGPT will prompt you with some follow-up questions to help you craft a tailored profile text. And if you get stuck on any of the questions, don't worry, just ask ChatGPT to write short answers to these questions within 2 to 5 words. And you'll have the information you need to create a compelling profile in no time. As I mentioned earlier, this is a total game changer. Now you have an answer guide for all these tricky questions. Now, it's your turn to fill in your own answers to the questions. Once you've written them down, you can prompt ChatGPT to generate a CV profile text by typing in, "Now generate a CV profile text from these answers within 3 to 4 lines." Amazing, right? However, if you're not satisfied with the text, don't worry, you can ask ChatGPT for further improvements until you achieve your goals. But for now, you can simply copy the text and paste it into your CV. To begin your work experience section, make sure to include your job title, dates, and company information at the top. If you're not sure how to describe your experience, you can ask ChatGPT for assistance by providing a prompt like, "Write me a CV work experience text by asking me questions." Again, if you get stuck on these questions, ask it by typing, "Write 2 to 3 word short answers to these questions for software engineer." I'll just copy 2 of these points and paste them into my CV. Now let me generate text for the second experience. One final step before you're all done. Simply fill out your educational information in this section and you'll be good to go. To sum it up, using ChatGPT to create a professional CV is a game changer. You can save time and effort, get personalized text, and stand out from the crowd. And let's not forget how amazing it is to have ChatGPT there to guide you through every step of the process.